Easily sharing your portfolio content is one of the most important features of having a Bulb digital portfolio. But what if your intended recipient doesn't have a Bulb account? Not a problem. Let's look at how you can keep sharing your portfolio content with a private share link. Here's our Bulb page. It looks ready to be shared. Let's click the blue share button and bring up the share panel. To generate your share link, slide the toggle to either custom or public. This generated share link is unique to your Bulb page or collection, and this link stays the same no matter which toggle you slide to, but it will only be visible if the toggle is set to custom or public. To copy your share link, click the clipboard icon. Now you can paste your share link to wherever you like. If you need to generate a new private share link, click the red icon beside the link. That will break the old link and create a new one. The old link will no longer be visible. And don't forget, any pages or collections inside another collection will all inherit the same share settings as the initial collection. So if a parent collection is shared via a private share link, everything else inside that collection will also be visible through the link. You now have everything you need to know to use a private share link in Bulb.